DHL, it's Lady Ranger here. I don't know what these people did to your hair, these bleacher creatures, but your hair is not that color. I'm going to have to do something to the hair. And, well, the eyes, no, they don't have them shaped right either. Jeez, I'm going to have to make you a doll. Well, you are a doll, and you've been doing a great job. And what I want to say this morning is that everyone goes through a little bit of a slump, and you have a lot of pressure on you. You always carry the team, and you're the backbone. Well, Lady Ranger is here to tell you that you will clear that mind and go into the next game with a clear mind. Watch it where you are in front of that net. Be your natural self. Don't overthink and don't overplay. And Rangers, you've got to start moving and scoring. This is the Lady Ranger here with a bleacher creature of Henrik Lundqvist. Well, Henrik, what do you think about what I had to say?
Well, Lady Ranger, I'm just